Navigating life's choices. Understanding pathways to choose. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and its nuances. Today, we're exploring a phrase that often pops up in conversations about decisions, opportunities, and future directions. That phrase is pathways to choose. It's a beautiful expression that's both hopeful and daunting, representing the numerous options and routes we can take in various aspects of our lives. Whether you're a student deciding on a career path, a professional considering a job change, or simply at a crossroads in life, understanding this phrase can offer insights and encouragement. So, let's embark on this journey together and uncover the meaning and implications of pathways to choose. First off, let's dissect the phrase, pathways to choose. At its core, it combines two key concepts. Pathways refer to routes, directions, or methods one might follow to achieve a certain goal or to reach a destination. These can be literal paths, like roads or trails, or metaphorical, representing different courses of action in life. To choose implies the act of making a selection from a range of possibilities. It involves decision-making, often after consideration of the pros and cons of each option. When put together, pathways to choose signifies the variety of choices or directions available for one to select from. It's about recognizing the multiple possibilities before you and making informed decisions on which route to take. Understanding pathways to choose is crucial because it emphasizes the power of choice in shaping our lives. Here's why it matters. Empowerment. Knowing you have options is empowering. It suggests control over one's destiny and promotes a sense of agency. Opportunity. Each pathway represents a different opportunity, be it for personal growth, professional development, or life experiences. Responsibility. With choice comes responsibility. The responsibility to make decisions that align with your values, goals, and well-being. This phrase encourages us to pause, reflect, and consider the different paths available, rather than rushing or feeling trapped by circumstances. Navigating your pathways to choose can seem daunting, but here are some strategies to make the process more manageable. Reflect on your values and goals. Understanding what's important to you can help guide your decision-making process. Research your options. Gather information about the potential pathways. Knowledge is power when it comes to making informed choices. Seek advice. Talk to mentors, friends, or professionals who can offer insights and share their experiences. Listen to your intuition. Sometimes, the best choice feels right instinctively. Trust your gut feeling in conjunction with rational analysis. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Each choice, even the seemingly wrong ones, is a learning opportunity and a step forward in your journey. In wrapping up, pathways to choose is a powerful reminder of the opportunities and choices we have before us. It's about embracing the possibilities, making informed decisions, and walking confidently down the path we choose. We hope this video has illuminated the significance of this phrase and inspired you to approach your crossroads with optimism and clarity. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Remember, every choice is a step towards your future. Choose wisely, and see where your pathways lead. Until next time, take care.